salt and black pepper, barbecue sauce for the base. Make your own dry rub, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Taste buds through and through. Oh, barbecue, smoking to perfection, simmering hot, tender and juicy, quench my hunger, mouth watering in the air. Smoke them ribs, smoke them at home, smoke them till the meat falls off the bone. Oh, yeah. Now here's how to make it. Prepare your ribs. Remove the membrane from the back of the ribs. Slide a knife under the membrane, then grab it with a paper towel and pull it off. Preheat your grill to medium-low heat, around 250. Place the ribs on the grill, both side down. Grill up like the ribs, covered for 2.5 to 3 hours. You want the ribs to be tender but not falling apart. Oh, barbecue, sauce is tender, taste buds through and through. Oh, barbecue, smoking to perfection, simmering hot, tender and juicy, quench my hunger, mouth watering in the air. Smoke them ribs, smoke them at home, smoke them till the meat falls off the bone. Oh, yeah. Sauce. During the last 30 minutes of cooking, brush the ribs generously with barbecue sauce. Continue to cook, allowing the sauce to caramelize slightly. Remove the ribs from the grill or oven and let them rest for 10 minutes before slicing. Serve the ribs with additional barbecue sauce on the side.